tell you of an interview with an old man he knew. He's got a beak and feathers and things, but the poor old fella ain't got no wings. I'm too jealous of the wedge-tailed eagle and ba-da-da-da-da-da, while the eagle's flying round and round to keep her 2 feet firmly on the ground. Now I can't fly, but I'm telling you, I can run the pants of a kangaroo, but I do. He can't fly, but I'm telling you, he can run the pants of a kangaroo. Well, he was the model for the 50 cents. Da-da-da-da-da. The designer should have had more sense. Da-da-da-da-da. If you take a look, it'll prove to you. I ran the pants of that kangaroo, but I do. Take a look, it'll prove to you. He ran the pants of the kangaroo. You can't loop the loo like a cockatoo. Da-da-da-da-da. Swoop and toss like an albatross. Da-da-da-da-da. You silly galah, I'm better by far than a white cockatoo or a budgerigar. They squeak and squawk and try to talk. Why, me and them's like cheese and chalk, but I do.